starting on the 30th of July. I've been preparing very hard since I finished my Asian Juniors, where I got the silver medal at the individual championship. I've gone to Egypt to train for 15 days at my own cost, which was great training. I returned last week, and since then I've been training in Goa, where over here my dad has built a squash court from his own expenditure. So I've been training here with my dad since last 1 week since I've come back from Egypt. Yes, the training has been really hard, and with the top players in the world, I've done some good training in Egypt. The mental preparation is very important, as this is one of the biggest junior events on the squash calendar. According to me, I have done my best in all aspects, and I feel I'm confident enough to do well or even win the World Junior Championship, which has been a dream, which is a dream of every squash player in the juniors.
Government has not paid me a single penny also. So since I have a passion and I want to bring Yash या लेवलाचे, so that I have to have my own facilities where I can train him, I can get the people from outside. This is one of the reasons I have to build it, because I cannot go all the time. Last 5 years I have been going to Bombay every Saturday, Sunday. That's why I have built this squash court for Yash, so that he can practice on his own.